Okay, first of all, I do think, there's a societal pressure on young men, to sort of be very sexually voracious and to have as many sexual partners as possible. And I think in a dark room, if too much drink has been taken, and if she's not screaming no, that maybe they might think, oh, I can persuade her, which is the worst idea ever. Maybe I can persuade her, and then I can go back and tell the lads, that we had sex or whatever. So I think that's why we have to have very clear education around consent and how important it is, because I would be very afraid that you might have young men maybe do things that they will really regret when they get a little bit older, and they start, I suppose, really understand maybe what they've actually done.